Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. Welcome to our channel. This is 4,808 square meters with a clean title for a package price of 25 million pesos negotiable. Beach lot for sale. And it is along the highway. So, again guys, the property we are selling is 4,808 square meters. Beach lot. Then also along National Highway. It has already a one title, separate title, owner still alive, and this is ideal also for commercial. Pwede siya maging commercial, and for example, this could be diving. Kuan guys, pwede i-convert mo ito ng diving basta diving because it is facing Mindanao Sea. Pwede gam uni-muning diving kuan sa itawag ana para resort na, resort. Then ari mag-start para moadto ka mag-diving mo. So manibot pasabot na ko guys, kabulali hubad ang uban. Okay. So the property is a little bit cliff, no? A little bit lang. Nang cliff ra siya gamay, then you can gamay ra gid kayo. Pwede ka makanaog. So you can develop, no? Okay, dili man siya pang-pang. It's not really a cliff. So you can go to the beach. Pwede nimo na mato sa beach. Then nasa sand, no? In the area. Kita nimo guys, no? So this is really good and good for investment. So na-vlog na nito, it was already vlog, or this is a re-vlogging, no? So mo ni siya guys. It's 2 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. So natay YouTube ani guys, sa una man wala pa to ma separate title. Now it has already a separate title. So nindot na kayo ni. So mao nay naka-advantage aning property ha. Then facing Mindanao Sea. Oh, so see. Oh. Mao nay kuan nakanindot. So ano siya guys. Mao nay nakanindot. Okay, again, the property is just few minutes drive, no, to Anda, Bohol, White Sand Beaches. So gikaganahan og kuan, pwede sa kaadto ka sa Anda, Bohol, White Sand Beaches. You can have your own kuan ba choice, no? Pwede ka mo adto sa Anda, adto ka dito mag-enjoy jud ka sa White Sand Beaches. But you know, there are many ways manggod to convert this into a white sand beach. So mao manggod na ang kuan, mao manggod na naka kuan advantage. So parehaan ng Dolomite Beach, just like Dolomite Beach. So pwede siya, no? Kay we can buy Dolomite somewhere in Garcia Hernandez, no? Na ato diha, na ato'y mga Dolomite diha nga quarry. So you can put this Dolomite, pwede ni siya guys. So suggestion lang na ha, it's not really the official. So then there are also people selling kuan guys, sand, amot di na nilagikan. Basta mga anak sad, no, mga locals na, local people. So depende na po, no, it's up to us, no, kung unsaon na to pag-develop. Basta kay mo na ni siya. The good thing is it is along National Highway and along the beach. kaliguanan beach ba kanang dagat, no? Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We have also a website www.propertyph.net. So, natin ang property for sale. Pwede ta dito guys, no? Okay? Thank you and God bless to all. So, usbo na to ang property nga atong gibaligya 4,808 square meters, clean title, limpyo ang titulo, one signatory. Bye!